So it's pretty clear that AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. We've moved way past the "is this useful" phase. As we look ahead to 2025, it's becoming less about you use AI and more about you use it. Every week it feels like there's a new breakthrough, a new model, or a new app that promises to change everything. The pace of innovation is just relentless, and what seemed like science fiction just a couple of years ago is now becoming a practical part of our daily toolkit. It's genuinely one of the most exciting fields in tech right now. From automating mundane tasks to unlocking new levels of creativity, these tools are fundamentally reshaping our workflows and capabilities. The conversation has shifted from novelty to necessity, and for good reason. The right AI tool can be a massive force multiplier for your productivity, your creativity, or even your business. But with so many options popping up, it's getting harder to cut through the noise and figure out what's actually worth your time and attention. It's easy to get lost in the hype cycle. That's what this video is all about. I've spent a ton of time testing, playing with, and integrating a whole bunch of these new AI tools into my own workflow. Today, I want to walk you through the top 5 that I think are genuinely game-changing and will be essential in 2025. We'll look at what makes them so powerful, who they're for, and why they've earned a spot on this list. So let's get into it. These are the AI tools you need to have on your radar. First up, let's talk about productivity. This is probably the most immediate and tangible benefit people look for in an AI tool, and for good reason. The tool that's really standing out for me in this space is something I'm calling a cognitive copilot. Think of it as an evolution of your standard to-do list or project management software. It doesn't just hold your tasks, it actively helps you strategize, prioritize, and even execute them. It learns your work patterns, understands your priorities, and starts to anticipate your needs before you even articulate them. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant who's available 24/7. The real magic here is how it integrates with all your other applications. It can read your emails, scan your documents, and listen in on your meetings, with your permission, of course, to build a holistic view of your workload. So, instead of you manually piecing together information from a dozen different sources, this tool does it for you. It can draft email replies based on a project update, create a presentation outline from your meeting notes, or schedule follow-ups automatically. It's about reducing the cognitive load of just managing work so you can focus on doing the actual work. The impact on efficiency is just massive. I've seen my own time spent on administrative tasks drop by a significant margin. Those little 5-minute jobs that add up throughout the day, a lot of them are just gone. It's not about making you work faster in a frantic way. It's about making your work smoother and more focused. By handing off the logistical heavy lifting to the AI, you reclaim mental bandwidth for deep, meaningful work. It's a genuine paradigm shift from just managing tasks to intelligently orchestrating your entire workflow. Now let's zoom out from personal productivity and look at an entire industry. The tool I want to highlight here isn't just making things faster, it's fundamentally changing how an entire sector operates. I'm talking about the field of material science and discovery. There's an AI platform that is using complex algorithms and massive data sets to predict the properties of new materials before they're ever synthesized in a lab. This is a process that used to take scientists years, sometimes decades of painstaking trial and error. Now it can be simulated in a matter of hours. This is a huge deal. Think about the implications for everything from battery technology to sustainable packaging to medical implants. Instead of randomly mixing elements and hoping for the best, researchers can now tell the AI, I need a material that's lightweight, stronger than steel, and biodegradable. And the system will generate a list of promising chemical structures. It's accelerating the pace of innovation in the physical world at a rate we've never seen before. It's taking the guesswork out of scientific discovery and replacing it with data-driven precision. We're already seeing the first wave of products developed with this technology hitting the market. Lighter, more efficient solar panels, longer-lasting batteries for electric vehicles, and even more durable components for aerospace engineering. This tool is the quiet engine behind some of the biggest hardware breakthroughs we're going to see in the next few years. It's a revolution that's happening in research labs, not on your phone screen, but its impact will be felt by everyone. It's a perfect example of AI not just improving a process, but creating entirely new possibilities. All right, for my third pick, I want to focus on a tool that's all about clever, innovative features. In a crowded market, sometimes it's not about doing everything, but about doing one or two things so exceptionally well that it changes your expectations. The tool I'm thinking of is a new kind of video editor. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are a million AI video editors, but this one has a feature that, once you use it, you can't imagine living without. It's called contextual resurfacing. It's a bit of a mouthful, but what it does is brilliant. Here's how it works. As you're editing a video, the AI continuously scans your entire library of unused footage, all your B-roll from every project you've ever shot. Based on the context of what you're currently editing, the words you're saying, the subject on screen, it proactively suggests relevant B-roll clips. So if I'm talking about a smartphone battery, it doesn't just search for clips I tagged with battery. It finds that one shot of a charging icon I filmed 2 years ago, or a time-lapse of a phone's battery draining that I forgot I even had. It understands the concept, not just the keyword. This completely changes the creative process. It eliminates that feeling of, I know I shot the perfect clip for this, but I can't find it. The AI acts as an extension of your own memory, bringing relevant creative assets to your fingertips at the exact moment you need them. It also has this amazing ability to reframe and retime old footage to better match the pacing of your current edit. This single feature sets it so far apart from the competition because it doesn't just automate a task, it actively collaborates with you, enhancing your creative options in a way that feels genuinely intelligent and helpful. So, a tool can have all the power in the world, but if it's impossible to use, it's useless to most people. That's why my fourth pick is all about accessibility and user-friendly design. This is an AI-powered website builder. Again, not a new concept, but the execution here is what makes it special. The goal of this platform is to completely remove the technical barrier to creating a beautiful, functional, and professional-looking website. You don't interact with code, you don't drag and drop widgets into confusing grids, you just talk to it. The entire interface is conversational. You start by telling the AI what your website is for. I'm a freelance photographer and I need a portfolio site to showcase my work and a contact form. Or I'm starting a small bakery and I need a site with a menu, my location, and online ordering. The AI asks you clarifying questions just like a real web designer would. It asks about your style preferences. Are you going for a modern, minimalist look or something more rustic and warm? And shows you visual examples to choose from. It's an incredibly intuitive process. Within minutes, it generates a fully complete multi-page website that is already 90% of the way there. All the images are placeholder but contextually relevant, the text is well written and optimized for SEO, and the layout is clean and responsive. From there, you can make edits by just talking to it, change that blue to a darker shade, or make the header image a picture of my storefront. It makes web design accessible to anyone regardless of their technical skill. It's a powerful demonstration of how thoughtful UI and UX can democratize incredibly complex technology. For my final pick, I want to talk about creativity. A lot of the fear around AI has been that it will replace human creativity, but I think the best tools are the ones that augment it. The tool that embodies this idea for me is an AI music and sound design platform. It's not about typing in a prompt and getting a finished song. It's more of a collaborative instrument. It gives you a suite of controls that feel more like you're a producer in a studio than a programmer typing commands. It's designed for artists, not just for people who want a quick royalty-free track. You can start with a simple melody, a drum loop, or even just a mood, and the AI will generate layers of harmony, counter melodies, and rhythmic textures that complement your idea. But here's the key. Every single element it generates is fully editable. You can change the instrumentation, tweak the chord progression, adjust the swing of a drum pattern, or dive deep into the synth parameters. It's constantly offering up new ideas, but you always have the final say. It's like having an infinitely patient and endlessly creative jam partner. For me, its biggest strength is breaking through creative blocks. When you feel stuck, you can just have the AI generate a few variations on your theme, and one of them will almost always spark a new idea. It's also incredible for sound design. You can describe a sound you're imagining, a metallic shimmering texture that evolves over time, and it will generate a patch that you can then refine. It doesn't replace the artist, it provides a new palette of colors and a new canvas to paint on. It's a tool that expands your creative possibilities rather than limiting them. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that I genuinely believe are going to be indispensable as we head into 2025. From the cognitive co-pilot supercharging your productivity, to the material science platform revolutionizing entire industries, to the creative partners that break through your artistic blocks. The common thread here is that these aren't just novelties or gimmicks. They are powerful, well-designed tools that solve real problems and open up new frontiers. They are designed to augment human capability, not just replace it. Integrating these kinds of tools into our lives isn't about becoming lazy or letting the machine do all the thinking. It's about being strategic. It's about offloading the tasks that are repetitive, tedious, or logistical, so that we can free up our minds for what humans do best: critical thinking, deep creativity, and forming meaningful connections. By embracing these tools, we can work smarter, create more ambitious projects, and maybe even solve some of the world's bigger challenges. The benefits go far beyond just saving a few minutes here and there. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, and what seems cutting edge today will be standard tomorrow. So, my encouragement to you is to stay curious, try out new tools, play with them, and see how they might fit into your own life or work. You don't have to be an expert, but staying informed and being open to these advancements will be a huge advantage. This is just the beginning, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see what comes next. Thanks for watching.